All right. Yes. So, what is a diary entry? Let us begin our topic by asking some general questions so that why the screen is appearing like this. No, as such, I'm not sharing any screen as such. Uh, on screen only, you people are there itself. So have a look of your own selves. Right? As such, I'm not sharing any screen. Correct? Now, can you all see yourselves? Hmm. Okay, okay. Now, let's focus on the topic. And it says a diary entry is a short composition, a record of the writer's personal feelings, thoughts, or activities during the course of a particular day. Right. So, if, as an example, what I gave in the other section, say my name is Lisa, and I have been given a watch by my father, and 2 days after I am going to celebrate my birthday. So I'm so happy to get my new watch, and I'm planning to share this joy with my friends, probably in the evening time when I meet them in the park, or maybe on WhatsApp group, or maybe on social media, right? And then I may call them as uh, I may throw some party and can invite them over to my house. Then we all can share and celebrate. Now, say this incident has happened with Lisa, and the same can be it might have happened with you already. So consider your recent birthday. If your birthday has yet not come, so you may have memories of your last birthday of previous year. How did you celebrate that? You can consider that moment, that event of that day, where you had the party, or maybe you went out with your family, or maybe you had a COVID special birthday, whatever it is. So you can write a note on it, and you can elaborate your own feelings. Writers keep personal feeling, like it is written, a record of the writer's personal feelings. What do you mean by feeling? Personal means something which belongs to you, right? Aryan, only your wall is visible, your head, a bit of your head can be seen. Yes, so kindly sit properly. So, writer's personal feelings. So, if I'm Lisa, so I will definitely be writing my own feelings. How am I feeling right now? Say the entire event took place today, and the party was over around 9:30 p.m., and now I am on bed by 11, and I am truly in a mood to pen down my feelings in my diary. So I will recall and recollect whatever has been happening since the morning, and I can make a note of each of the, like the way my father asked me that, okay, what do you want? Any special thing you have in your mind, so tell me. So I just told him two, three things, and out of those three, he bought one. So I was not expecting though, but when he gave me the present, I was so happy. So in short, I am now going through the entire process of my today's day in the night time, and whatever feelings and whatever moments I'm recollecting, दोबारा से मैं उसे collect कर रही हूँ. So I can write down it in the diary. Okay. Now personal means something which belongs to you only. You do not share it with others. And feelings. What do you mean by feelings? When we feel something, can we have some adjective for feelings? A single student will say a single word only. Say, let me begin, happy. Happy is a feeling, right? Happiness. No, sorry. Happy is an adjective, and happiness is a feeling. Okay, but we can say the adjectives too. That will also indicate our, feeling. How am I feeling right now? How do you feel right now? Cold. Right. I already said two words. Now I think I should ask Shailesh. So Shailesh, give me an example of a feeling. Say a word, any word that describes feeling. Nobody will say in between. I shall come to you. Okay, Shailesh is thinking. Durgesh, any feeling word? Oh, you're so sad. Why? Okay, it's the last period and you don't want to attend, but the teacher is there, so you have to. Okay, Yashmit, Durgesh is sad. What about you? Louder, louder. Oh no. I make you sad. You didn't tell me? Okay. Okay, okay. Oh God, all are sad. I'm not happy. Oh my God, yeah. This is true, so true. In the morning, I was also thinking, but what to do? We shall stay connected, है ना? We will always be connected. That's how we can depart on a good note. And 5 days after from this moment, when you all will be grown up, you will truly remember these Mastigi Pathshala last period of English, and why me only, so many other teachers you will be having, and not only this class but all the classes that you people have actually had a very good bond with each other. So definitely it is something that you people can remember for days and years to come, and so surely stay in touch. Okay, so coming back to the bhavishya moment, I can say nostalgic. Nostalgia is also a word. Nostalgia means जब हम like अपने नहीं, आंसू नहीं बहा रहे, आंसू बिल्कुल नहीं बहाते हम। नॉस्टैल्जिया में हमको याद आते अच्छे लम्हे, अच्छे मोमेंट जो हम बिताते हैं अच्छे अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ, वो हमें याद आते हैं, है ना? सो सपोज करिए मैंने कोई चाइल्ड, इफ आई सीन सम चाइल्डहुड, इफ आई तारे जमीन पर, से फॉर एन इंस्टेंस, एंड आई वेंट बैक माय मेमोरी डेज, my school days, है ना? And I'm just recollecting, oh God, yeah, I too used to behave like this, and my teacher would tell me this. So that is a nostalgia. Seeing that movie, I gone back in my memory lane, right? So Rudra is also very sad, I suppose. Or you are happy? He's saying, ma'am, I'm happy. Okay, okay, okay. So yeah, coming to people who are offline, say one word of nervousness. Your name? Anshika Yadav. Yes, Priyanka. Emotional. Okay, very nice. Prince. Prince. Sorry. Amit. Boring. Okay, boring. Boring. Swain. You think good. Okay. Adarsh. Everyone. Okay. But still, are there any words left out that describes a feeling which nobody? Okay, fine. Yeah, Yashmit. Oh, Yashmit has already said. Yeah. Yeah, Aditi. Lazy. You feel lazy. Okay. And then Devika. Angry. Devika is angry. Okay. And what's your good name, dear? Asmit. Asmit is also sharing the word angry. Okay, yeah, Aryan is one is raising his hand. Yes. Excitement, excited. Okay, Bhavesh, what do you think? What is the word? Energetic. Yes, your energy should be high. So that we all know one word per student. Okay, yes, madam. Sitting in the front row. Mushaba. What's your word in English? No, still, so many words are still left. Say, I tell you some. Jealous, right? Scared. है ना? Does scared. How do you feel? Hey, how are you? I'm scared. Why, man? Why are you scared? Because my mother is not talking to me. Whenever she stops talking to me, I get scared that something big is going to happen, and I yet don't know. है ना? So there can be so many things. All right, now listen to me now. Coming back to the topic. So there is a passage, and it says, before the passage, they say, let us discuss the work of Anne Frank, a Jewish girl who became internationally famous posthumously. Posthumously means after her death. Following the publication of her diary, she was born in Germany. She lived for most of her life near Amsterdam in the Netherlands. Her family went into hiding during the German invasion of Netherlands in World War II. Right? Anne Frank was greatly affected and disturbed by the war. She recorded her feelings and observations in the form of a diary. Her writing was published after her death when her father discovered it. All that she wrote gives us an insight into the mind of a teenage girl. Insight. The meaning of insight is when we get a clear cut view into the mind. Here, insight is used for Anne Frank. The way she has written her own experiences in the form of a diary, you know, when you read that diary, you get to know how Anne Frank was feeling, right? So, insight is a word that tells a kind of intuition, a kind of exact thing. Say if something bad is going to happen with you, or maybe you will automatically, like will start feeling something, like you'll get some symbols, some symptoms, or maybe your own mood will be in a fluctuating state. And then by the evening or maybe by coming morning, you may face something like that. So आपको एक notion आएगा कि yes, I was saying something is going to happen, right? So a kind of intuition, a kind of insight, right? So when you read Anne Frank's account of her own experience during World War II, जब World War II हो रहा था और जब उनकी families, they were hiding. Why they were hiding? Because people were, yes, yes, Prince, you're saying something. Why they were hiding? I will. Germans. आपने फिफ्थ में पढ़ा था, पर जो पढ़ा था वो तो बताइए. All right. So Ankit is saying something, and many have already said. Yeah. Be quick. Jewish people were killing, or Jewish people were killed. Correct. By Nazis. Correct. 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 And what was the nationality of these Nazi people? German. Nationality is German. Country name is Germany. है ना? Good. All right. So the same kind of mental turmoil I should use. Mental turmoil means a state of extreme discomfort. You are totally into a state of like you're seeing deaths, you're seeing people being killed ruthlessly and mercilessly, and not only by gunshot but by various horrible ways. So just to save their lives, the family of Anne Frank were hiding so that they can have a life. And all these experiences were somewhere logged into the mind of Anne, and she has recorded, observed her observations in written account. And it was not like she has purposely she has shared with her father that look, I'm having a very good account of a written diary, and I want it to be published so that people can get to know what I have been through. मैंने किन किन चीजों को फेस किया, एक्सपीरियंस किया. But actually after her death, her father only discovered it. Discovery. Discovery means something is already lying somewhere and you got to find it. You just find something which is already there. You have not given birth, you have not created that thing, right? So her diary was long ago written by her only, and now she's no more. And when things were like being cleaned, or maybe he was looking into something, he got got a glance of the diary which was written by her own daughter, right? So correct. Yes. Thankfully, and because of that event, because God maybe has given a chance to her father, today we know Anne Frank. Today we know Anne Frank, right? Had he been also died, so I don't think so that Anne Frank would have ever known by any of us. Yes or no? उनके बारे में कभी कोई जान ही नहीं पाता है ना. So Her writing was published, yeah, when the father discovered her diary. All that she wrote gives us means whatever she has written. When we read it personally, we will start feeling like we are living in that place and we are experiencing all these events which is occurring on a daily basis. So, moreover, how does the teenage girl felt at that moment? Her insecurities, her joys, fears, and thoughts. What do you mean by thought? Is a thought different from a feeling? On such notions, we had a long debate, discussion, I should say, in the seventh B, in the third period. So, what do you think? Is a feeling different from a thought? Definitely, yes, ma'am. Thought can be endless. Thought can be endless. Every now and then, every nanosecond, every fraction of a second, you get a thought. I'm feeling this. I'm planning for this. Okay, right now, ma'am is teaching, so let me focus on this. है ना? Our mind flickers. Yes or no? All right. So Master is here with a factful book, and he says that the book states 50 to 70,000 of our thoughts can pass in in a minute or in a day. In a day. In a day, 50 to 70,000. Just 50 to 70,000. I'm not happy. It should be near about 1 million. No, as if it's money. Huh? How many thoughts do you have in a day? So it's around 70,000. And if you try to sit at one place and try to recollect, you're wearing a sweater. Huh? Switch off the fan. Do not listen to any instruction. If anybody asks you, just let me know. Okay? Do not bother. So the first diary account is here. Here is an excerpt from her diary, which she used to write religiously. Religiously, matlab without fail. Say if somebody is a highly meditative person, so they do meditation religiously. एकदम पूजा जैसे करते हैं ना, बिना मिस किए एक भी वक्त की पूजा आप उसे करते हैं, तो उसी तरीके से वो डायरी लिखती थी. कौन? एन फ्रैंक. एनी फ्रैंक नहीं, एन फ्रैंक. All right. Now this is the first excerpt. I'll begin Sunday 14 जून. अब देखिए इसका फॉर्मेट क्या है. आपको इसी तरीके से एक डायरी एंट्री लिखनी होगी, ठीक है. और वो किस ओकेजन पे बेस्ड होगी, दैट आई विल लेट यू नो बाय द एंड ऑफ द लेक्चर. So stay tuned and focus what I'm reading. So the format begins with left side alignment, and the topmost thing is the day, then date. Date begins with any valid format, right? And the year. Now leave a line, and then I'll begin from the moment I got you, the moment I saw you lying on the table among my other birthday presents. I went along when you were bought, but that doesn't count. On Friday, June 12th, I was awake at 6 o'clock, which is not surprising since it was my birthday. But I am not allowed to get up at that hour, so I had to control my curiosity until quarter to 7. Means 7 बज के 20 minutes, right? Quarter to 7 means, are you able to judge the time by that, right? Quarter to 7 means 7 बज के 20 minutes, right? Now, when I couldn't wait any longer, I went to the dining room where Murje, the cat, here the T is silent. Yeah, the name. For understanding, you need to have a book. Bring it. For Murje, where Murje welcomed me by rubbing against my legs. A little after 7, I went to Daddy and Mama, and then to the living room to open my presents. Presents means, yeah. No, I told. And one more correction. One more correction. Quarter to 7 means 6:40. 6:40. 6:40. ठीक है. 7 बजने में जब 20 मिनट बाकी हैं. 2:22. ठीक है. समझ आ रहा है आप लोगों को? Right now uh it is past. It is quarter. It is past quarter to one. Past quarter to one means 20 मिनट से ज्यादा समय हो चुका है. क्या बजने में? 1 बजने में. Is it already one? You open the first button of your shirt. This is the reason you want to come to school daily, huh? Like a boar, like a bear. All right. So now what she says that, yeah. A little after 7, I went to daddy and mama and then to the living room to open my presents, and you were the first thing I saw, maybe one of my nicest presents. Then a bouquet of roses. Bouquet, not bouquet. Bouquet. Then a bouquet of roses, some peonies, and a potted plant. Check out the meaning of peonies. 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 And a potted plant. From daddy and mama, I got a blue blouse, a game, a bottle of grape juice, which to my mind is a bit like wine. After all, wine is made from grapes. A puzzle, a jar of cold cream, 2.5 guilders, and a gift certificate for 2 books. I got another book as well, Camera Obscura, a platter of homemade cookies, which I made myself, of course, since I have become quite an expert at baking cookies. Lots of candy and a strawberry tart from mother, and a letter from granny right on time, but of course, that was just a coincidence. So, on the same day, when it's her birthday, she received a letter from her granny, which was a pure coincidence. Then Haveli came to pick me up and I went to school. So this is a very personal account. Have you noticed? ये चीजें क्या सबके साथ होंगी? No, it belongs to a certain person who lives in that kind of condition. And yes, Bhavish, you want to say something? Right. So have you all understood, heard? Peonies meaning of peonies, I'm asking. A shrub, right? Kind of plant, correct? So that's how the day of Anne Frank went. Similarly, you need to write a diary on your birthday celebration, a birthday that you already had, or maybe which you had the previous year, right? You can write that way. The format is quite clear. On the top left, you need to mention the year, date, and add time also. Add time also, Swin. Listen to me first. Add time also, then leave a line, and then you may start writing. Okay? And it should reflect your personal emotions. So the use of I, the use of the various moments which you uh, felt. Okay? Is this clear? Any doubt?